All right. We all woke up today. I see some familiar faces in the house. Some that I did not expect to see, but I am just, oh boy, just blown away at the fact that they're in here this afternoon. And we're gonna have a good old time. The artists that Wayne and I chose today, we chose them because we like them. And you obviously like them as well. Is that true?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So I'm going to have a lot of people in here singing this afternoon. Is that correct? Okay, because y'all going to help a brother out. Voice is still coming back. Last week I was a little... boy, it was gone. And,
A little?
Yeah, I was growling. But today it's a lot better and enough to bring y'all a good show. And with my buddy over here, he's certainly doesn't fail to go into character when certain tunes come up, and he's asked to do some stuff from the Ray Charles itinerary. So before I say anything else, please show your love for Mr. Wayne Holmes on vocals, keyboards. He's like a little professor over there in that corner, and he just creates magic. My name is L.A. Blacksmith. And we're going to start off with some pieces from Stevie Wonder's catalog. And we're going to try and keep the dialogue short because looking around the room, I can tell that most of you probably know more about the artist than I do. Or just as much. Or just as much. You know, so... but we're just going to give you just a little history on each artist. And some things maybe that you do know, some things that you don't know.
You have your violin ring over there. I don't, you know what? I don't need to have my...
Don't?
No, to get into the program.
Okay, no problem.
So you can do it.
This is Fred. Fred is the drums. He works without argument. He works cheap. There's no abuse here. All I have to do is feed him electricity. And we get along just fine. Of course, you feel like you want to move from side to side. Yeah, you just want to kind of snap your fingers. That's a good thing too. And if you just feel like you just want to clap, we encourage you to clap. Yeah, bring that bass up. my life, baby. That's why I wanna